All right, looks like the storm got upgraded to a Category 1 hurricane. It's heading kind of this way. Who knows, but they're closing the stores in 20 minutes. So I need to get some food because restaurants are closed tonight. All right, all stocked up on food. Definitely seems a little bit of panic at the grocery store. It's absolutely packed, and the gas stations had a crazy long line. But we're doing good. I'm almost back now, and I think everyone's closing up, so we'll see what happens. But it's obviously getting a bit windy out here. I provide food. Chips, cookies, juice, salsa, more salsa, more chips, 4 cup of noodles, apples, mixed nuts, almonds, peanuts, and tonic water.
Looks good. Cup noodle, no fork.
No hot water.
No hot water.
It's horrible. No.
Maybe they're on a generator.
All right, 8 a.m. Checking out what happened last night. It was loud, and now currently there's no power. There's no water. So yeah, we basically got nothing. But we need water to flush the toilet. So I'm thinking either we take it out of the pool, or we take one of these big leaves, we fashion in some sort of funnel to go into some sort of water bottle, fill up the toilet. Look at this drop. Oh yeah. First drop. Oh, they're missing a little bit.
I feel like you have more luck.
You're a genius.
Bear Grylls.
Okay, so this is minute 1, and then maybe in 20 minutes we see what it looks like. Check progress. I would say it's minimal at best. See, those people can't even get out of their place. Oh no, that's a lot of bananas. I thought we were gonna be living in a jungle, but this is just ridiculous. Shoot, look at that one. Oh crap, that is huge. That must have been what we were hearing.
This shit, yeah.
Oh my God, look at that. Look at this. Look at this car. Is there any way this just blew down? Someone had to have hit this. That is insane. That one is like completely bent over. Don't touch the wire. Literally right there. Don't touch it. Look, these are like your size palm trees. Back to the casa, and there is no power, no Wi-Fi, no water, no cell service. So, nothing to do.
Sleep.
Abby wants to sleep. I don't want to sleep.
I don't want to sleep. I just don't have anything else to do.
Venturing back out to find some food. Obviously pretty rusted, but still had to be pretty strong to take something like this down. You're getting windy again. It's coming back. Help! Help! What the heck is that?
That's a skull.
Yeah, I think it's like a restaurant.
That's not a skull. I don't know what that is.
It's just a bone. Yeah, every single place is closed. This is all gonna go bad so quickly. Hey, try mine.
Oh. No, yours is worse.
Only place that has a generator. What's the plan?
I don't know.
grocery store.
That's really far.
Yeah. That sign, all metal, freaking came down. What is happening?
I have no idea.
Was you okay?
Oh. Oh God.
Did the big weight land on it?
Do you like the way you smell? Maybe he's vegan.
Maybe he's vegan.
Fill this up with some pool water. Ready to go to cenotes?
Cenote time.
Finally checking out of this hotel. Super nice, but we spent the last 2 days with no electricity. Super dark in here. Also, no water, so no showers or anything. And there was no Wi-Fi or even any cell service, and they still don't have it, but the rest of the town does. So we're switching hotels, and 2 more days in Tulum, and we get to spend it with some AC, which is gonna be so nice. Fan, nice. AC, nice. Kitchen, nice.